Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we're using our Silhouette Cameo machine to make this adorable little pencil gift card holder. How fun is that pencil? The pink part, the eraser, is where the gift card is, so you just slide that out. You can see the gift card is in there. This is super easy and super simple to make and makes a great gift for somebody that's going to school or a teacher. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Here we are at the computer and I already have the Silhouette Studio software opened. Now to get to my designs, I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and click on Library. This brings up all of my designs. On the left hand side I created folders and I have one down here called Videos, and I put the design we're making inside that folder to make it easier for me to find. The design is called Oh the Places You'll Go Pencil Gift Card Holder. It is really cute. It is by Lettering Delights and the design ID number is 267917. Now to bring this to our workspace, just go ahead and double click on it and you will see all the pieces here. I cut it out using the same colors they did, but it does come in as grouped. So I'm going to right click on it and choose Ungroup, then separate the layers. Alright, so what I'm going to do is do the dark purple in the left hand corner of my mat. I can do that one there, the black over here, the pink over here, and the yellow one over there. Alright, so I'm going to load my mat with all these colors, cut all the images out, then I'm going to come back and delete all these pieces, then grab these two and just put a piece of pink cardstock in the upper left hand corner and a piece of tan colored cardstock in the bottom right, cut all these out, go to the table and put our pencil gift card holder together. Alright, we are back. All of our pieces are cut out. I went ahead and creased on all my score marks. And this is our piece for the gift card. And you'll see two little slices here that the gift card just kind of sits into. Super cute. Alright, so we have that set aside. Now we're going to go ahead and fold this in and glue all this together. So I'm going to just fold the little flap down, not going to glue it, and fold this one down. Take my glue, and I'm going to put some glue on the edge here. And you want to go as close to the edge as possible, along the folded edge and the cut edge, and also do your bottom piece here, but I have my bottom piece tucked in first. We're going to fold all this over. This is going to create the sleeve that this pink piece is going to fit inside. Let's give that a minute to let the glue adhere and do its thing. Okay, and now we're going to test that by putting this piece inside there. Okay, super cute. All right, now we're going to take this piece and glue that to our pencil color. I'm actually going to open this up a little bit and just squirt some more glue in there. That's why I want to go close to the edge so you don't see the gap. Okay, just give that a second to grab. Now as we glue this to this piece, I'm not going to use this glue. I'm actually going to use some sticky strip, just so I'm guaranteed it's not going to come off. This is a super cute little project for back to school. You can also give it to a young one who's in school as a reward. A little gift card to the Dollar Tree or something like that. Really kind of fun. Alrighty. Take all the paper backings off of these. And of course the obvious is a teacher would like this as well. Alright, I'm going to just line it up on the top here before I actually push it down. Okay, so we have that piece. And again, this piece is going to go inside. That creates the eraser part of our pencil. That is really cute. And now we have this piece and this piece. I'm going to glue this one down. And all the colors I used, I just followed the colors that were already designed in the software. And I used all Stampin' Up! Colors. I used So Saffron for the pencil color. And this is Highland Heather, this color. And then going on top of this one is Gorgeous Grape. The yellow color was So Saffron, the pink was Blushing Bride, and then the black was just your basic black cardstock. For a point, this is so cute. Okay, and I'm going to glue a little heart on for decoration. You can also stamp something on there if you want to. Alright, so there we have it. How cute is that project? I absolutely love this pencil. Super easy to put together. And again, you just open this up, access the gift card, and you'll see the pocket that it goes back into as well. There you go. Alright, so there's our silhouette project for today. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.